Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. This pre-owned F-150 was recently traded in here. Very good condition. A lot of nice features on the XLT with the Sport 4x4 package. Starting on the outside, you do get a remote entry keypad getting onto the door here. You've got these heated mirrors with your blind spot mirror. They're folding as well, not powered but manual. You've got your window controls here, as well as your power mirror controls, your door latch, and lock and unlock. As you can see, you do have the 6-way power cloth seat for both passenger and driver. To the left of the steering wheel, you've got fog lights, headlight controls, truck bed lighting, dash dimming, electric parking brake, and these power adjustable foot pedals. Getting inside the F-150, go ahead and turn it on. You've got halogen lights up front. Small screen in here, and you only have 80,000 kilometers on this 2018. So you do have an oil life reset in here. You've got a lot of different features in vehicle and advanced. There's a lot of settings in here. So you've got digital speedometer, engine information, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressure. You've got trip and fuel settings. You've got a towing section, so you can control your trailer, your status, and your connection checklist. You've got off-road status, so you can see your differential to see if it's locked or not, and you can see the pitch and yaw of your truck. You've also got power distribution there too. Getting back into these advanced settings, you do have lighting controls, locks, oil life. You can control your remote start and see what comes on, and you've got your courtesy wipe wipers as well. But getting onto the steering wheel, you've got cruise control on the left with your menu controls. On the right is your volume controls for your sync system and your hands-free calling. Speaking of that sync system, it is over here. You've got a nice navigation preview, radio station preview, and your device preview if you have one connected. Clicking on this map brings you over to navigation, where you can set up a home and a work address. You can search up points of interest, fuel, hotel, ATM, anything you need to get to. This truck will take you there. You've got various sound settings in here. You've got clock, Bluetooth, phone, navigation settings, general settings, as well as temperatures. And then you've got Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can emit a Wi-Fi signal from your F-150. And then various vehicle settings, voice control, and display settings. But moving over, you've got 2 high, 4 low, and a locking differential, as well as your trailer backup assist and pro control. So this where you can connect your trailer, and then you have your disconnect button here. But then you have climate center here. You've got heated seats for both passenger and driver, as well as single zone climate. And then to the right is your 12-volt outlet and a household plug ported into one section. Moving into the center console, you've got 2 USB ports down here and a rubber matted area for some change or whatever. Cup holders, a small divider here, and then your shifter here in the middle. And then your large leather center console goes all the way down, and then you've got a 12-volt outlet down there as well. Looking out towards top of the F-150, you do have your rear sliding window, and then you have your sunglasses holder, and then controls here for the panoramic moonroof located up top of the F-150. As you can see, very nice. Coming around towards the back of this F-150 Sport 4x4, you do get your paint-matched rear bumper with your rear park sensors. Trailer hitch is ready to go with your connections, and then your rear view camera located above the Ford logo. Getting into the tailgate now, you do get your tailgate step built in, and then you have a spray-in bed liner on this box, which is a nice feature, very durable, can throw a lot of things at it. And then lastly, you've got LED box lighting for the inside of the truck box. Getting into the back seat of the F-150 on the door, so you've got lots of storage here. You've got a singular cup holder, and you get the 60/40 split seat. This folds up, you got a power inverter under here, then you can bring that back down, go back here, and this is where your spare tire tool and fuel nozzle lies. Getting inside here though, a lot of storage back here. You've got a lot of leg room. You've got a nice storage compartment behind these front seats. You've got 2 cup holders here, a 12-volt outlet, and then even more power points back here for those rear passengers who want to charge up their devices, as well as this adjustable climate vent. Up top, you've got your own lighting system and a hook system to hang up any clothes, and then back here you've got this sliding window. Coming up towards the front of the F-150, finally, you can take a look here. You do have the halogen lighting system with your LED turn signals and halogen fog lights. You've got that small hood bra there, the bug deflector, and then your metallic painted grille. So make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to get your hands on this pre-owned F-150 2018 XLT. As always, we thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.